Chief Minister Biren kicks off state-level Football Championship. Reacts on existing controversy of All Manipur Football Association. Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh observes Kavya Anjali in homage to former Prime Minister of India, late Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And one-day sensitization program aims income generation for farmers. Joint Director ICAR calls for improving agriculture sector to develop Manipur. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has kicked off the state-level Football Championship at Kuman Lampak Indoor Stadium today. Speaking in the World Football Federation Foundation Day come championship kicking off event, Chief Minister Biren lamented that disintegration of an association into two groups affects sportspersons' career life. Reacting to the existing controversies of All Manipur Football Association, the Chief Minister called for leaving behind self-centric attitude. Biren opined that handing over responsibilities to upcoming talented young international players will be the right move for development. He also called on to reflect as to why medal tally of the state declined in the recent Asian Games. He expressed discontentment that Manipur, known as the powerhouse of sports, was dominated by Haryana in the recent Asian Games. World Football Federation presented an eco-ambulance van to the state government and felicitated 62 state Wushu players with cash awards on the occasion.
Mang tharaga changaba thaba mata mai paroida bol coaching tawbo aikoi gi maka tawda mi tawwe aron san thingmine matam loire to piro botha biro anoba generation da shinobiu adom akoi gi yong na yubi ko laga chu bare lebe dong na dom aikoi na thadok pa yaroi na pai daga leba association jing to piro ne hada aina tata gi mayam kawdana coaching hore coaching mafam kunmara tormane do khoi yaw de coaching tawwe aron thingmine huje ina Belgium gi kawri Belgium gi lakna huje football gi training to ke tawwe do sukumba anouba change ma poraga sanhogragadi Haryana na ngasi dominate tawre medal tally da.
As observed across the nation, Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh observed poetry recitation Kavya Anjali in homage to former Prime Minister of India, late Atal Bihari Vajpayee at Chandrakriti Auditorium Palace Compound today. The event commenced with singing of national song Bande Mataram. BJP Manipur Pradesh members led by its President and Rajya Sabha MP KSH Bhavananda paid floral tributes at the portrait of Atal Bihari Vajpayee on the occasion. Vajpayee's poems translated into Manipuri were recited to mark the observance. BJP Kundrakpam Mandal also commemorated the day to mark the 1-month death anniversary of former Prime Minister of India Atal Bihari Vajpayee at Haraurau Community Hall today. Chief spokesperson of BJP Manipur State, S. Tikan, former BJP candidate of Kundrakpam constituency, Thangjam Mohendro, convener of Biodiversity Board, BJP R.K. Samorjit and various other eminent persons attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, S. Tikan asserted that a good politician must strive for the goodwill of people and must never resort to personal desires. He called on that late Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a benevolent leader and urged people to follow his footsteps to bring about a peaceful and a prosperous state. As a main part of the event, floral tributes were offered at his portrait and his selfless contribution for the people of the country were lauded on the occasion.
Land tawdana mahan tahan na padati masi prithvi ki shanti ki damutta pokrana nuclear test tawni hai jam taw hai lathoi madu ki bom to pokha en test to Jansi na sakti hai pai ruk pagas ha bana te anu wai pai ware te ko na dokja ga dabani American wena hare ga pai ki damukta logo to na te noi ne to ing ko na mak loi na to wai pai de pai ware se dum long ya pai pokhai ha ni pokhai ha ga pare
Thanga BJP Mandal also joined the nationwide observance of Kavya Anjali in commemoration of former Prime Minister of India Atal Bihari Vajpayee for all his contributions. The event held at BJP Mandal office, Thanga, was attended by members of the Mandal. Attending the event, BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President Moirangthem Ashni Kumar revered Vajpayee as a great social reformer, selfless and a divine human. Vice Chairperson of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority, Adim Pamay, said there will be more BJP representatives if BJP aspiring candidates who failed to get BJP tickets in the last election continue their support for the party. The BJP aspiring candidate for Outer Manipur in the upcoming Lok Sabha election maintained that winning and losing in elections are inevitable in politics. He asserted one need to have patient and sacrificial spirit if one intends to work for the welfare of the people. He was speaking during a discussion meet held in connection with the upcoming election at Wabagai Makhalekai Community Hall today. Adim Pamay alleged the Congress party of trying to woo voters by creating issues and misleading the public. He urged for people's support so that BJP will win both the state MP seats and strengthen BJP government, which is trying its best to make Manipur the most developed state in the northeast.
Politics haibasi kabaga kadabaga haibasi machin manauni aduna kadraga su ekoi khangba haiba tai adubu ekoi marakta chingkhaina badagi BJP sida manungda chingkhaina badagi asomda na tunganba party ma lepre asomda na BJP lepkhiba matamda ekoi si mai thi hobane nungba kendra su adu makne thokhibase anni sina BJP manungda kairakta chingkhaiba matamda ekoi si mai pa wa haibu ukhidabane anni si punba matamdadi Congress na tanaba ngamdeba Congress ki vote ina ekoi ne heleba adu oita de ekoi si lingyen manaramba taragadi
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee (STDC) and coordinating body Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, that is COB-STDC, Manipur's proposed agitation including halting of railways construction works and demand for inclusion of the Meitei community into the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution has been suspended temporarily. General Secretary of STDC Bogan intimated the same to media person in front of Chief Minister Bungalow yesterday after attending a meeting convened between Chief Minister Biren-led team and team of 20 members of the committees led by STDC Working President and Nongdalen Khomba. Bogan said the committees urged the state government to send recommendation at the center for inclusion of Meitei community into the Scheduled Tribe list within 15 days during the meeting. He said the Chief Minister, however, requested for some more time and hence the proposed agitation was called off for the time being. Bogan further stated that the committees will act according to the government's next move and warned of setting forth with their agitation if the government fails to take up satisfactory actions.
Amuka halabada 15 days recommend to BYB ne du government chief minister yang kon harisi matam dumakti kitang atau kitang BYB ni mana mama samuk sodom sigi suse chume na mana ma kamito eko adu yang agai koina hujiki akan ba railway thing ba kot pagi thabak tuti kitang yethoi koina changjel level normal sit in protest oibe public meeting oibe street corner oibe ni sort of awareness meeting oibe adu de koi changchan ni koi matang khara yengani response amuk delay to bugi mong la agadi hena concern gani hai thamjai.
Tharoijam Sakhat Khongthang Mairapai Bilub has appealed not to circulate any baseless and misleading information on social media regarding the death of Farooq Khan. The association further appealed to the JC against the brutal killing of Farooq Khan to arrest Atlaf and Washim mentioned by Farooq just before dying and handed over to the police. Speaking to media person during a press meet held at Tharwaijam Yumjau Lairenbi Lampak today, member of the association Haikrujam Sharma said the mob lynching incident occurred in the heat of the moment in an attempt to nab a burglar. She said the incident was not personally targeted.
Tharwaijam gi thaudok asida makhatana police na Singnaba Lairabasu, Jesina Angamba Mating, Pangjagani Amasung, Lilongi, Jesigi Makedagisu, Haidiba, Huranba, Atap, Asim, Anishibu Paraga, Lista, Sinabiu.
MLA Kundrakpam T.H. Lokeshwar today laid the foundation stone for the construction of the main building of government-aided Kaibi High School and Kaibi Awanglaikai multi-purpose halls at Kaibi Awanglaikai in Kundrakpam constituency. The construction will be carried out under MLA Local Area Development Fund. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Lokeshwar said he took the initiative to construct the main building of Kaibi High School as it is the only high school in Uyumpok area. Member of the Laithabi Jila Parishad, Pradhan of Uyumpok Gram Panchayat and people in the area attended the event.
Maruna, Karo, Bado School, City, Willamagay, Asa Kalamado, PK, school, see sectors you want high school, Amatalita, except Chicken, not doing books. Sakano, Sakar, Santalative, MLA local Branja Quigi, whole MLM Pusi, Karo, Anini, Sahim, Han Amorami, Hoji Ani Ola, Maramadra Sigi, Hansday now, Homang High School Sigi, Kadi Edit High School Simana, Bomang, Helsing and Lumina, must at the same time on Tadibas, the same scenery Padamsa. I did winning Calcari with the Sabuta with Trava, Adagi, Segi Posa, Copacabana. I am Zulula Shallow material and Gaydarana. Disturb the Wishang, Wang ever quick in the Seco, Hanadi, the Torum, the co-present Bibishang, make some 100 Pitar and Masi, Yargadi Harbi School Simone, Soma Hashing and Havada, Mipongodemana, Isagi, Lani, Kanlagana, Sarokto, physically, mentally, Pangbu have from Crasamiam, Dia, Piltoji.
Idle Girls College Akampat, in collaboration with the Forest and Environment Department, organized the observation of International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer in the college today. Speaking at the sidelines, principal of the college, Binarani Thokchom, stated that the event was held to raise awareness among the students on the negative impact of global warming, climatic change and depletion of ozone layer. Plantation of tree saplings and cleaning up the college campus marked the observance.
Karamba mawongda sagalaliba ozone layer si patha laiba prithibigi khalse nemtha halaba matungda prithibigi khalse nemtha halaga aduga environment si maintain tauba haiba wakhanlon jida akoi uchara thagadaba adu mayamdu laibana akoi ngasi social service dagi hauraga akoi preservation of world ozone day si akoi observe tawjaban.
Lecheng Hidden Protection and Development Authority LHPDA's month-long Lecheng Hidden Lu Nanhanba campaign with tree plantation, which commenced on August 16, concluded today. Around 3,000 saplings were planted in and around Lecheng Hidden, led by Kaf and PD Minister Karam Sham on the occasion. Speaking in the event, Minister Karam Sham asserted that the government has been working towards conserving Lecheng Hidden Lake. He also intimated that discussions are on for holding Imphal evenings at Lecheng Hidden in near future. He appealed to all the organizers of tree plantation drives in various places of the state to nurture the saplings planted to grow to maturity.
More than 3 kilometers of sangba ising maisingi the problems laitaba aduga praja singna mafam sida Dingha Potaba, Aduga, recreation Tobuki Kotpagi Kodong Javas Lebanina, Semgot Kani, Haidana Kaliba, Wakalor Sida, Ozikta Ribana Rolsina, the local liver, Kongtang Sinamaram Oidana, Tabaxi Yamni, Hena, Kumang Soxon Mangani, Ibagi Tazabalay, Adugo Uzi Tarabanina. The farming in the Usar people Kotpa, Nasiki Mating Pangamagazu, Boro in Uzi, Hinana Bohonaba Kandadi, Akoigi local Genarol Singsina, Tawai Yona. The Ising my singy way, the Sas and Sangapa Kolakpo way, sing Aktok Minabagi, Madugi died, Lomina, see Hagna in Apil Togeri. Thank you.
Proscribed outfit Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) in a press release declared its staunch support to revolution declared by CPI Maoist against Narendra Modi-led Indian government. The press release further claimed that all the alleged victims of the Indian dominions are friends of the RPF and urged to support RPF in its freedom struggle. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on exclusive report on Manipuri diasporas in Mandalay, Myanmar. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Now we have an exclusive report on Manipuri diaspora in Mandalay, Myanmar from Impact News reporter Ketrimayum Premchand, who is on an DIPR conducted external press tour in Myanmar.
Myanmar Music University Kwegi Mandalay Labor Hotel Iceland Hariba Hotel Adurani Hariba Hotel Ashidangasi JPR conducted press tour the Roy Bunimeta American Taragatoro Min Ashada Kwegi Mandalay to Kaitokaiva from Sinilaiva Manipur Sing Maiti Sing Puna Unaduna Kari Awan Made Habidu Odom Janabi the Makta Mokari Wari Shadana Karikari Nungaiva Kari Awaba Manipur Lagning Kari Domshadaba dan English lagu khang debat umkaya adu koi sawi tangga lo jage punin ni tamin se
paune kilbanga wari mata iba lari kiliga wanga mo lari badu phang lari na adimo phana koi tamni ngam munubor ye lai mai dai ya koi masaran lari munubor ye koi ye mai kare tangna khara lai bangali mai ke to man ja
and quite a communication bang like that. So pangui. With email, social media, we can communicate very easily. In 1990, I have very strong connection with my brother, Dr. D.C. Sharma in Imphal. It takes 1 month to have a letter from Rangoon to Imphal. In 1999, I got physically, I through the border with Shivagan. I have a chance to meet with Dr. D.C. Sharma. Both sides of communication, passport, visa, communication channel. Many times to Myanmar.
Mayam unabase matik mungai adagi pungning su nungsi adagi sumaina leram mayam su projecti ekoi tapna ekoi gi hai gi ipai pusing na tungna tholaka da project orom do no kung hangani posit summa e na khala kan da ko hena power relation hena power friendship aduga ana ekoi nungsi na baje khara leira thangmoi da leira ga unada banina thangna bagam da ba amaga communicate to mum da ba ko mum da the Sweden Lagani having Hazabale.
A cook some Naraga in Minagano with them. A quick to mean a Pumna Levade, Kagi, Pashapai Kala was Okala, Mayam. At the game, told me say a quick meditation. Pashapai, the high with them to me. Economic Patragadi, Hogotan Sapamante. I sue a quick government, the later Bani, a quick directors, you are Bani. And Matunga Minister Mayam Lakani. A quick Hingba the Sanga Posida in a Tangai Padaway.
In a government spoke to you, Myanmar telecommunication spoke to you. Nanga, Panganga, or Una Valley, or how are you?
Never, yeah, or a French. Quite a lot. Although quite a lot, so keep a dimmy power. Taking idea to the young employee.
I wrote a festival like how I go I like a control learning a veggie that I hadn't any veggie lavage. I'm how
Monthly term the marathon to one from Singalaiva, the Manipur Sina, Yongchata Mamma, Maruina, the Italiga, I petition to Splendida, Yongchata Kalevana Maram Wega, announcing like the Mungam Dava, Amadi. Anna laying the Kudumsha Cam, my hibernate to Hariba, James in a city Matanga, Yumtan Riba, Madimokadi, Horokam Weba, Marandam Weba, Pedi, Manipuna, Mating Pang, Regati, Operation and I didn't have a simple question of welcome me, Makwiji Horokam, Mopin Shiriba Sigumna, Quigi Lambi Hope from question a civil Kaupina, Mokwiji, Kudum Sanaba, Kadikumaran Segadan, Paket Pidagadi, Tum Quina, Manipurian Wina. Impact News, Mandalay.
On the other hand, Manipuri dialects and traditions are being preserved in a Meitei library of a Meitei village located at Mingde Kin of Mandalay. If the government of Manipur consider the village the only place where many Manipuris settle in Myanmar, indigenous culture and traditions of Manipur will be intact in this foreign land. Kangleipak Women Welfare Association will organize a discussion meet on Manipur gi Puwarida Miyamgi Ahanba Lengak Laikhiba Numit October 18, 1948 on September 24th at MMRC Garden, Khangabok under the initiative of Committee of Civil Society, Kangleipak. A book entitled The Zelengrong Villages in the Valley of Manipur, a historical perspective was released at Kalyan Ashram Manipur Palace compound today. Retired IAS R.K. Nimai and President of Manipur Historical Society S. Bhagya attended the event. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, in collaboration with Information and Cultural Society ICSM, Khabam Lamkai, organized a one-day sensitization program on agri-business planning for generation income today. The program was held in the training hall of ICSM at Loang Sangbam. Speaking in the event, Joint Director of ICAR Northeast Hill Region Manipur Center, Lamphel Dr. I. Megachandra, stressed the need to develop agriculture sector for a developed society. He assured the government is making all-out efforts to develop agriculture sector in the state. Megachandra advised farmers to choose crops appropriate to soil fertility in the wake of rising climatic changes. He opined that cultivation of fruits-bearing trees in the hilly areas and cultivation of paddy in the valley areas, along with cultivation of economically viable crops, will be the right step. The Joint Director also called on the farmers to come together and extend support to each other. Speaking in the event, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, M.S. Khaidam, called for value addition on the existing bioresources of the state to enhance farmers' income. He suggested the farmers to focus more on plantation of herbs, flowers and other medicinal plants post-harvest to earn extra income. He also informed that the farmers that grant of 10 lakh rupees and up to 1 crore rupees equity loan may be availed by any registered society from Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium. Resource persons spoke at length on ways and measures to enhance farmers' income on the occasion. Assistant Professor of GP Women College N. Nando, President of BJP Hengang Mandal, Kumanthem Jilla and many farmers attended the sensitization program.
Yonpham chana processing tawraga yonanaba lambi su thidolagani sahi ama pharba matamda aikoigi Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium na grant oina lupa lakh 10 phabo pibagi provision lei lakh 10 asiga loina na company asina karigumba agri-business related any project ama tawa matamda Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium na equity grant haidana bank tagi loan loba matamda lupa crore ama phawagi guarantee asi aikoina pigani any agri business activities sa sal loibagi pochai process torga yonbagi jengum thabi oibe yai visa sa tobagi yai any product oriented ama taw matamda project taw matamda aikoina masigi sendang asi loan loba matamda aikoina collateral security bank de pirga senasi phanganabagi pandam asu leiri.
All Manipur Working Journalist Union MJU observed its 45th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. MJU President, former Secretary, leader of Editors Guild Manipur and editors of print and media were felicitated on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit and CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham acknowledged the plight facing media persons of the state. Minister Biswajit assured of all assistance from the government to media persons. He said that the government has set aside corpus fund of 10 crore rupees for media persons over and above a journalist welfare scheme.
International national norm aduna lay posing the tongan magi piriba right mi ama the mafam ama the anywhere the man changba ya ba the hangba ya ba ngamagi photo piri jingje akoi faida restriction taw lerga lay sisu media da su tongan feel to ngene ha su akoi khangda sunate adu situation akoi the lay ba posik sina akoi media ja pra puri phaja lega lay ta ba aina hiding jaba amana aduna first challenge is some mechanism that could be fact using social media anywhere media things say the fake news how far is it true or not as verification
The 4-month tailoring training program organized by Urigo Enterprises, sponsored by Manipur Building and other construction workers Welfare Board, Labour Department at Wangoi concluded today. Certificates and tailoring machines were distributed to 100 women trainees of Wangoi constituency on the occasion. Speaking in the event, MLA Wangoi O Lukoi appealed to refrain from demeaning the benefits and materials received from the government as free of cost materials. He urged to utilize such benefits to secure financial independence. Indian Red Cross Society State Branch in a press release informed that the training program for the selected beneficiaries of the second phase of Ashagi Mangal, a livelihood program for widows who lost their husband to armed conflicts, HIV/AIDS and cancer, will be held on September 18 and 19 at Indian Red Cross Society State Branch in MG Avenue. MLA Thangwaiban Kumukcham Joy Kishan handed over a newly constructed crematorium under Local Area Development Fund to the residents of Thangwaiban Meshnam Laikai Awang this morning. Reformist Students Front in a press release has warned of taking stern action against schools found passing students in examinations and practical examinations. The press release further said RPF got tip-off regarding some schools conducting annual examination without first conducting the necessary practical exams. RPF urged teachers to refrain from such misconducts. The first preliminary round of the 8th state-level transformation challenge organized by Apunva Fitness Center, AFC Imphal, was held today. Around 200 participants took part in the event held at Apunva Fitness Center in Nagamapal. Speaking to media person, Managing Director of AFC, Yumnam Hamlet, stated that the event was organized with an aim for a healthy society.
Apunva Fitness Center की ड्रीम दी मिपुंग खुदी मक मसामु फना तीजुं काजुं ना अपाबा समाज में सेमदा Apunva Fitness Center ना sok song जाजरी मसी अदुगी नमुक्ता अकोइना हारिबा कंपटीशन असे आंग हल खाक्तना मसागी मयांग कंगबदगी मासागी वेट हेंगललगा आइडियल वेट लहनबा अदुगा यामना नोइबा मीना कंगधलगा मासागी आइडियल वेट लहागा मागी BMI 5% सब चैनल हेनबा हेल्दी सोसाइटी मगी पांदमदा कोइना ngasi निपलक सुबा सिजबनी.
A Success Fitness Center was inaugurated under Animal Gym at Chingarel Tejpur today with an aim to provide a well-equipped fitness center for bodybuilders from underprivileged families. Principal of Success School, Thokchom Sunil Deba, Animal Gym founder and national awardee R.K. Biswajit, former member of Manipur Human Rights Commission R.K. Rajendra, General Secretary of All Manipur Gymnasium Welfare Association Yumlembam Sumanta and many bodybuilders attended the event. Speaking in the event, R.K. Biswajit said, Animal Gym was established to keep the young generation fit and healthy and to curb the menace of drug abuse. He said that individuals with financial constraint can join the center with a minimal admission fee. Speaking in the event, Yumlembam Sumanta lauded Animal Gym founder R.K. Biswajit for opening various fitness centers for youth in the state. He further urged the youth of the area to indulge wholeheartedly and bring laurels for the state.
sigi gym sida maram moidana angang mayam chatpada matam mangba khotpa tawroi na khanjai aduga maroi na sida sida sanabana ba khuju khulai chi hendok thoidokna ayamba angle suna ayamba leire na khanjare watpa kharasu dum mathangda dum hapsan jagi gani aduga somna kanda leiba angang singsi akoigi inkhalak leiba angang singsi yoti sanajaning su yang popi deina khoi khwathong tan lakpa matamda bus ta kaida gari bhara de am changba adumai tawraga khoina swai jaga si sona kanda amta leitabagi damakta khoina achauba jimama si thamja target tawraga thamjabani
akhoi manipur asi mayamna su khangnare conflict zone loinana golden triangle haina khangnaba yamna sathiraba drug ki laichuraba gi trade am oiriba akhoi gi route ni hairiba akhoi manipur society asibu karam tawraga asikumlaba apak nisadagi kitang lapthoknaba hotnabada akhoi body building asida yamna inot piduna anoba mayolam da purakliba akhoi ojabi sojini.
Sai Seva Organization of Manipur organized a state-level Global Blood Donation Day at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Blood Bank today. Executive members of the organization donated blood on the occasion.
Global blood donation asi babagi ekogi mafam kudimakta India gi danatana international gi oibada pangthokna lakliba adugumba ekogi blood donation amani adu tasengna ekoina karigi damakta blood donation asi tawribano hairagadi ekogi kana lejadraba miyoi ekogi ana yak yawruba singduda khajitang oirasu mateng pangba ngamgadra haibagi wakalon du daida ekoi ngasigi blood donation camp asi pangthok sabani.
9 members of the European Parliament on Friday urged the European Commission, a body that managed the day-to-day business of the European Union, to cancel all agreements with New Delhi until India releases arrested human rights activists and stop the hunt against marginalized communities and minorities. In a letter to the European Union's top foreign policy diplomat, the members condemned the police action on 10 activists, including Anand Tetlamde, Stan Swami and Kranti Teluka, amongst others, in several cities of India on August 28. They noted that 5 of the activists were arrested arbitrarily and were charged under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, that is one of the most barbaric laws copied from the colonial law book. 15 canoeing and kayaking players of Manipur who participated in the 18th Asian Games 2018 held at Jakarta, Indonesia were felicitated today. All Manipur Canoeing and Kayaking Association held the reception ceremony at the residence of the association president Jotin Waikom in Thangmeiban. The players were presented with gifts on the occasion. Speaking in the event, Jotin lauded the 15 players for qualifying for finals in 8 different events, even though they failed to bag any medal. He said being qualified for finals in 8 events was a big achievement in itself in comparison to previous years. Jotin also disclosed that relevant authority has given consent for hosting an international tournament by 2020 to boost the canoeing and kayaking players of the state. He also said Southeast Asian countries gave positive responses upon being invited for the proposed tournament in Manipur. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren kicks off state-level Funaba Championship, reacts on existing controversy of All Manipur Football Association. Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh observes Kavya Anjali in homage to former Prime Minister of India, late Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And one-day sensitization program aims income generation for farmers. Joint Director ICR called for improving agriculture sector to develop Manipur.